answer the question that I'm answering, not the one that you're asking yourself. Read that entry. I withdraw.
Yeah, where do you want to?
Yeah, entry, the highlighted entries. That document is from the police. DMFI 10, Yona.
That's number 4.
Yes, Yona? Or number 10. So that, it was marked earlier when we began. Yes. But before I even go that, Yona, let me first of all look at a document dated 27th of May. What is that document about? What's that document about? We marked it, I think, also as DMFI 9. What is it about? What is the date of that document? 27th of May, right? What is it about? And from who is out of that document? Leave me, sorry, the IO, correct? What is he? Who is he addressing? The land registrar. Which county? Nakuru County. What is he seeking from that land registrar? Investigating a case of engaging in criminal activity. Yes. But what is he asking from that document? Certified copies of the following. Yes. What are they?
Number 1, there's
the green card. Is that the green card that appears, the one that I just shown you? I know. I put it to you that this is a green card. You now know where it originated from, correct? Correct or not correct? Let's now go to those entries I spoke about. Who is the registered proprietor? Yes, Your Honor. Who's obliged? Who is the registered proprietor? Hauoni vizuri?
Hana Njoki.
Hana Njoki? Mukungu. And who? Who else? Johnson Mwangi. Have you seen the entry relating to the first accused person? That green card? Therefore, would you still confirm that he provided a place for the meeting? Having read that, I think that. Done. And therefore, you cannot say because one of them was in possession of the keys, is therefore linked to the offense of being in possession of the gun, correct? You cannot therefore say that because one of them was in possession of the keys, therefore he owns premises, and therefore he knows how the gun got there. Asking.
Who is
you have confirmed that we are not the owner of this house, correct or not correct? So, and you said that you recovered this software, yes? Software. And how many rounds of ammunition? But then did you say that they were blank? You said that they were blank. What do you mean when you say that an ammunition is blank? discuss. We are not experts, but I believe you might have been trained. What do you mean that an ammunition is blank? You are the one who recovered them, right? You are the one who aided in the recording of the inventory, correct? You are the one who confirmed that you have received blank ammunition, correct? And that there were 3 of them, right? And that they were of 9 millimeters, correct? What do you mean exactly by being blank? Ongea kwa sauti hatusikii. Shout the way you are shouting on that day. Yes. What do you mean by the nature? Unajua sisi si polisi. We have not understood what you have said. You're just bubbling. What do you exactly mean by a blank ammunition? Sorry? What do you mean by its caliber? For example, is this a blank ammunition? So it's not an ammunition. This is not what you recovered. Is that what you recovered? Is that what you recovered? This is not what you recovered. Yeah? You recovered 3. I have 3 of them here. Is this parts of what you recovered?
Yes,
good. So is this a blank one? Is it blank? I don't want to know the description.
No,
is this blank? So you never recovered 3 blank ammunitions, correct? 3. You are aware that I've been given this by the DPP and that you're the one who has identified them before this court, correct? You know that, right? And that this is one of what you recovered, correct or not correct? And that this is not a blank ammunition, it's a cartridge, correct? You are aware that yesterday I put it to you because you're not here. We were shown 3 pieces of cartridges which are spent, correct? Right. So this is what is the character of this ammunition? Hold it. Is that a blank or not blank? Is this blank or not blank? This is blank. Right. This is what you recovered. Thank you. Yona, we had previously identified this one. How had we marked them? Yona, give me. EMFI 3. EMFI 3. Kindly, this you reckon that it has a label, correct? And that the label is indicated as exhibit B3, right? Let's have a look at it. Yes, B3. Yes. And what is exhibit? No, not the its description. I'm asking. That is an exhibit that has previously been used in a previous trial, and that is why it is marked exhibit B3. As we have MFI, what do we have before this court? Right. I have understood. Okay, well guided, Yona. Have a look at the next one. What is it? What's the label indicating? And is that a blank? What is it indicated? B, exhibit B? B1. Thank you. Confirm that with you, finally, you have 3 blank ammunitions.
One spent.
Do you know where the rest went? Unajua hiyo ingine ilienda wapi? Unajua maudhui? The other one is
Yes, Your Honor. Were taken for
ballistic examination. You have brought things that were not here.
they are present in court.
Count number confirmed that Mr. Jenga was not in that particular house at the time we recovered this ammunition. Right? And therefore, in his absence, can he be required to have a certificate of something that and is he required to have a certificate of something that does not own? And how was the scene of crime prepared at the time you are recovering this? Yes? There were photographs that were taken. Yes? Who took them? Crime of scene personnel. What is his name? Yes? What is the name of the person who took these photos? Wanjohi. Thank you. Now, what time were they taken?
Around
Yes?
AM in the morning.
Yes?
They were taken at around 06.
06. At that particular time, had you completed the process of the search?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes?
Yes, Your Honor.
You were from which exact position in that particular house were they taken?
Pardon?
Where were they taken from in that house you described? Were they taken from the toilet, from the sitting room, from the kitchen? Where were they? Zilipigwa picha wapi?
Every item was
From the scene of recovery. Do you have the photos with you? Yes? Let's look at the photos. And before we look at the photos, where was Mr. Wesley at that particular time? Where was he at the time of the recovery?
present.
He was present, right? Yes?
Yes, Your Honor.
When did Mr. Wahome come to the scene? After completing the search and after doing the recovery, correct? Right? What did he come with? Alikuja na nini? He came with his camera alone, peke yake. Did you see him coming? Was Mr. Athumani present when Mr. Wahome came?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes? What role was Mr. Athumani playing?
The man was
To cordon, right? And therefore he was outside and saw Mr. Wahome coming. Correct? Did you see Mr. Wahome coming? Did you see him coming to the scene?
Yes, Your Honor.
What did he come with? With his equipment, yes? We have so many equipments that relates to what Mr. Wahome does. Would you kindly identify before this court, for purpose of knowledge, whether he came with a camera that resembled one of these? Which type of a camera? Can you identify one that resembles? No, the one that resemblance. Or cameras. I'm not asking about the make. I'm not asking the make. We all know how cameras appear. Did it look like that one? But you confirm it was a camera. And you used that camera to take those photos. And you are present when you was taking those photos. Thank you. When I'm referring to MFI 6, have a look at this document and read it out. What is it about? Certification of Who is the author?
Wesley Langat.
Wesley Langat. Yes. To whom is he addressing the letter to?
Right.
We're most obliged. I'm referring to the bundle that was introduced in court. And we marked this as the bundle with many photos, the 39 one. Yes. That's what I'm referring to, Your Honor. Yes. Have a look, read it out.
Originating from Mr. Wesley Langat.
Yes. I actually then refer, Your Honor, I will then refer to this second bundle. And we shall then you know, I am referring to a document that was given to us by the DPP at the time of the pre-trial. It's a document that has originated from the DCI, is dated the 16th, and it is marked as MFI6. So it's not a straight document before this court. We marked it. And the problem that they have with this document is that it's going to disapprove the fact that Mr. Wahome was not at the scene. That is the problem they have with this document. It's their document. It's not our document. In any case, Your Honor, the photos that relate the guns are not in that second bundle. They are in this bundle. Yes. Yes, Your Honor. Yes. Yes, Your Honor. Yes. Yeah, the 16th. It's not the one that is attached. And that's the mischief they are perpetrating. Where the letter, we previously marked it, if I may. Then, then we can mark it, Your Honor, so that then we proceed. I've had a small consultation with my learned seniors. We have agreed that we mark this letter as we are at DMFI 11. Mark it as DMFI 11. I'm therefore referring to DMFI 11, letter dated 16th of May 2023. So witness, have a look at that letter. Who is the author again?
The author is
Mr. Wesley. To whom is he addressing?
He's addressing the church.
Yes?
No.
Scene of crime. Ongea kwa sauti tafadhali. Scene of crime investigation, Nakuru. Right? Did you not in your statement indicate that the scene of crime investigation was present during the recoveries?
Was.
Yes?
Was
it? Didn't you indicate in your statement that he was present? Did you not yes, indicate?
Yes.
So if he was present, why is there necessity to write to him to inform him about the photos? Yes? Yes?
I cannot certify he was.
What is the letter saying? What is the letter communicating? What is it saying? Yes.
This office is investigating a case of being member of the organization.
Yes. So the letter relates to the proceedings before this court, correct? Uh-huh. We request for the certification of the 9 photographs. Yes. Taken at the scene. Ongea kwa sauti tafadhali wananchi wasikie. Taken at the scene
during the recovery of the paraphernalia.
Taken at the scene during the recovery of the paraphernalia. Yes, and what else?
The photographs were taken by use of mobile phone.
The photographs were taken by use of the mobile phone. Make techno.
Come on.
So did you see any camera that took the photos? So Mr. Wesley is lying, correct? No. Read. You have introduced a camera. Mr. Wesley has introduced a phone. No, I am not cancelled. You want this? In my humble view, the objection should not be sustained. I am referring to a public document, and there is presumption of its authenticity. Most obliged. So, who between you and Mr. Wesley is lying? Mr. Wesley speaks about a technophone. You speak. Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. I'm well guided. I'm well guided. I'm well guided. I'm well guided. Now, have a look. We also mark this as DMFI 12. Is a letter from Mr. Wahome. DMFI 12. Have a look at that letter. What is it addressing? What's the date of the letter? 16th May 2023. What is that addressing?
Photographic.
Okay. Well taken. I am well taken. Would you kindly refer to that certificate? And who is the author of that certificate?
The author of this certificate is Simon Kamore.
Simon Kamore. Have you seen Mr. Wahome's presence anywhere or fingerprints in that process?
No.
Okay, what is it about?
About certificate as to photographic prints.
Certificate as to the photographic prints
and enlargements.
And enlargements, yes? Again, confirm that the certificate has been issued by Mr. Kamore and not Mr. Wahome, as alleged. Yes? And therefore that Mr. Wahome is a creation of your own imaginations in this proceeding. Yes? But then read paragraph 1.
On the 16th day, Simon Kamore of crime scene investigation, being an officer appointed by DPP, has it notice number 5548 of hereby certifies as follows. On the 16th day of May 2023, 9 a.m., I received a phone.
I received
a phone.
What do you understand by the terminology received? The physiology of words. Alipewa. Proceed. What is he receiving?
A phone and a memory card.
A phone and a memory card, correct? The phone being referred by DMFI 11, correct? The one being forwarded by Wesley, correct? Thank you. Proceed.
That paired to a phone serial number.
Yes, don't bother the serial number. Yes.
No common 16.
Techno. Yes, correct.
And the cover of a letter reference.
And the cover of a letter reference.
DCI.
DCI. Just read. Yes.
Purported to be sent by Mr.
Purported to be
sent Mr.
What do you understand by that terminology?
Purported to be sent.
Yes. What do you understand by the use of the word purported? It was assumed. So even its authenticity is not clear, correct? Because you are in a rush to fix, yes? So does that certificate indicate the source of the photos? Does it indicate or does not indicate? Yes, does it indicate the source of the photos? Does it indicate that it came from a camera or from a technophone? So do you still maintain that Mr. Wahome was present with a camera? Do you still maintain that the photos were taken by the use of a camera? And you maintain that it's Mr. Wahome who took them and not Mr. Kamore? Did you see the recovery of this? Or did you see the recovery of this thing? And what is it? Did you witness the recovery of that thing? Did you witness the recovery? Yes, where was it recovered from?
It was recovered inside.
Was it inside or outside?
Inside.
It was not on the pillow.
It was not on the pillow.
It was inside the pillow. Yes, I'll show you a statement by one of the witnesses who has testified here, and you confirm to us whether you do know that witness. Do you know a witness by the name Kiru Lobuan?
Yes.
Was he at the Was he present at the search? Was he there during the recovery of these processes? He was a custodian, correct? I want you to have a look at his statement. Yes, and specifically read where I've underlined. And he's a person. What role did he play in that process?
He was the custodian.
He was the custodian. Custodian of what?
Of any recoveries.
Including this makeshift gun, correct? It was recovered, it was possessed by, it was in his custody, correct?
Yes.
Then read what he's saying. Read here. I want you to read. Soma hapa. Ashapatiana ushahidi. Soma hapa. Ashapatiana ushahidi. Soma hapa wewe. Soma hapo.
Where?
Here, where I've highlighted.
It was hidden on the pillow.
It was hidden on the, and that's a witness who has testified here as PW2, and he's your senior, correct?
Yes.
He witnessed the pistol being on the pillow, correct? It's not correct.
I am the one who recovered.
So what did you recover?
I am the one who recovered this.
Yes. Yes.
And where I recovered it.
So Mr. Ekuru is not speaking the truth.
I can't account for someone.
No. He was here. He testified just like you were doing, but for him it was on the pillow. For you it was inside the pillow. Correct?
I was not present.
Right. That's I'm informing you. You're right. So the question that I put to you then, where is the pillow again, and why was it not introduced in this file?
Your Honor, was not part
Where is it? Was it recovered?
Was not part of the recovery.
Why was it not part of the recovery? Yet it was where the alleged gun was hidden.
We did not carry everything in that room.
Oh, you sorted out what you are to carry and what you are not to carry. Yes?
Yes, Your Honor.
Right. How did you determine then that a pillow was not crucial?
That was what we began with.
Who determined that this piece of evidence is not crucial?
That's the role of the sleeping officer.
Yes. No, but we are at the scene. Right? All of us are there. Recoveries are being done. Right? At that particular time of the recovery, is it the IO who made the decision to recover this? So certainly then he could not have made the decision to recover or not to recover the pillow, correct? Correct or not correct? So what wisdom led you to recover this and not the pillow? I was speaking about wisdom or lack of it for that purpose.
The manner in which it was hidden.
Yes. No. I'm asking what wisdom led you not to recover the pillow? Not the manner in which it was hidden. What wisdom informed you not to recover the pillow?
That's the work of people.
Yeah. You are the one who is recovering. Right? The IO is still to be introduced in the case. All items recovered are in possession of a particular officer, correct? What wisdom made you not recover the pillow?
Not illegal to do.
Okay. Thank you. Now, has this thing been produced before any other court prior to this trial? Can you confirm that? Would you confirm that with concise and precision that it has not previously been used? For this case, kindly remind me, how did we mark it yesterday? The toy gun. MFI20. Kindly look at this label here. You have a look at it. Who places such labels? Who places those labels in normal criminal trials? The ballistic experts, right? Why does he place those labels? No, I'm interested in this one. Why does he place them? No, why are they placed? It's for purposes of identification. Correct or not correct, Mr. Witness? And therefore, you're able to identify this instrument, what case it relates to, and what exhibit it is, correct? And therefore, request you that you read the details as captioned by that label for the court to record.
That is
yes, yeah.
That is CR of crime register number 7.
Crime register
number 776.
Number 77.
Okay, 22.
Yes. Okay. Which crime register in that particular?
776.
Where is that register? Where is the register? Where? Who records? Which registry? No, I'm asking. Those register inawekwa kwa register gani? Ile iko kwa polisi ama iko kwa ballistic? Here for police. So if we go to the police file relating to this matter, we shall be able to see that register, correct? That police case number, correct? No. You're a police officer trained. You have to answer that. Yes? In respect, that is in respect to the police file number, correct or not correct? Okay. Proceed to read the next details. Just finish reading the details. Not there, Mr. Witness.
Imitation of firearm.
No, the court is still recording on the register.
Imitation of firearm.
No, read the registry number. You ulikuwa unasoma 111.
That is CR 776
oblique 22 oblique 2023. Right? Next.
Imitation firearm exhibit.
Imitation firearm, right? Exhibit marked M. Right? What is the identification of that exhibit before this court? MFI 20. Yes? Mr. Witness, stop shaking your hands. You realize that this is something that you picked from another trial. It has been identified and you have now introduced it in this trial. And that is why it is marked as exhibit marked. Okay, I withdraw. Mr. Witness, I put it to you that this so-called makeshift gun has previously been marked in another trial as exhibit marked M. What do you say? And you can have a look at it. Look at it and see.
I am not aware.
You read the details. That one lazima unijibu. Read the details. Read the details in respect to the exhibit.
That is CR.
No, the exhibit. Exhibit marked. Can an exhibit be marked if it has not been produced before another trial or before another court? Yes. No, I leave it that. Yes. Now, Mr. Witness, I withdraw the statement, Your Honor. I withdraw. Mr. Witness, this is another makeshift gun and a toy gun which I want you to open. Yes, open it. I will mark it. It's my. I'll mark it. Have a look at this. What is that? Is a toy gun. Correct or not correct? That is similar to this one, obvious. Correct or not correct? Right. I purchased that toy gun today in the morning at Naivas, Nakuru shops. I purchased it at 11:48 minutes and 48 seconds. I purchased it for Kenya shillings 735. I paid tax for it at 101.38. Right? You know, we mark this as receipt as DMFI. DMFI 12. Yes. Have you seen that item? Yes. Is it a toy gun? Did I just walk into Naivas and acquired it? Did I commit an offense? Did I require an issuance of a certificate? Thank you. So these are things that are widely available in our common markets. Correct or not correct? Correct or not correct? And I assume that you even previously bought it for your son as a toy gun. Yes? Thank you. We mark this as DMFI 13 and the receipt for the purchase of the gun at 735. DMFI 13N. And therefore it is not unusual. DMFI A and B. So this, we have, I and you have agreed that these are common materials being used, correct? The only difference between this one of mine is that mine is properly made and yours is a makeshift, correct? Yes?
Yes.
Was Mr. Asmani with you on that particular day? How about Mr. Kirui? Mr. Samson Kirui, was he with you? Samson Kirui, sorry.
Was present.
What role did he play?
Can't remember.
Yes?
I can't
Did you see the discovery of this item? Yes?
No.
It was not recovered from there.
I was on the.
It was not recovered. It was never shown to you, as you said, correct? No further questions.